today we are going to be making new polycarbonate window glass, but it's not glass, it's plastic. So, as you can see, door bars have been extended to pretty much the door skin. It's added reinforcement. It's also, I won't be hitting my elbow as much anymore, and hey, let's tap each other. Tap, 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 pow. So, anyway, what you're gonna want to do is first get a, for FD requirements, I believe, side windows and the door windows can be 1/8 inch thick. For your front windshield, it needs to be at least 1/4 inch thick. So there's different thicknesses that you can buy and sizes. I went with the 1/8 for this one because it's perfect, and I can do multiple windows with it. As you can see, I have a lot to play with. So first thing you're gonna want to do, set that up, and then you're gonna want to get your OEM glass to use as a template if you have it, and place that in one corner. As you can see, for me, the corner works better like this. So if I turn it that way, then it takes up space where I can make 2 windows. All right, so I made the outlines of the new windows for the side doors. Now, the next step is, after you get it all cut out, after you got the outline, we shall get to cutting. It's so flimsy! I'm retarded. Now we kind of have another unforeseen problem, and hey babe, how about you tell them what happened? What's going on there?
I don't know, I just came out and this just turned.
Yeah, and what does that do? Well, you're turning it and what's happening? Nothing! So that means we can't open the hatch! And guess what? All the important stuff isn't there! But hi guys, I can't get to you. So, no, it's not that big of a deal. It's kind of funny though. So, we're gonna figure this out, and then, I don't know, but yeah, we're gonna figure that out. Okay, so for a temporary fix on the trunk latch release, what I did was, well, first let me tell you what happened. So, if you go over here, trunk release latch, you see this guy broke. So there's another piece, which is, where you at? Where you at, guy? Over here. Alright, so this piece allows you to open the hatch. So, since that piece has broken, what we have done is, you see here, I have made a zip tie. Bing! Goes around the latch and goes all the way down to the bottom, which is right there. And so, whenever I want to open the latch or the hatch, all I gotta do is pull that. And then we'll use that for a little bit. I only did that because all the stores are closed right now. Maybe this weekend or the following weekend, I will go to BMX store or whatever and just get a little brake lever. It comes with a little like steel braided line. So get one of those. I'll run it through there and mount a nice little, I don't know, like switch or something, and opens the hatch. So let's see it work in action. So you pull this.
Hold popsicle in mouth. Ah! And you see hot lava.
Yeah.
Like magic.
Yes, like that. That wraps it up for today's episode. Make sure you comment, like, and definitely hit that subscribe button. We will see you soon. Yeah, that does it. And I'll catch you guys on the flip side. So, aside from that, good night.
Stars, who the fuck the things, straight, with that